If you're using a Duracell battery charger, those small indicator lights can sometimes feel confusing, especially if you're not sure what each color or blinking pattern actually means. You plug in your batteries, see a red or green light, or maybe even flashing signals, and it's not always clear whether everything is working properly or if there's a problem. These lights are designed to give you quick information about charging status, battery health, and any issues, but without knowing the meaning, it can feel like guesswork. The great thing is that once you understand what each light indicates, you can instantly tell what's happening with your batteries and avoid overcharging or using faulty ones. Try these. Step 1. A solid red light usually means the battery is currently charging. Step 2. A solid green light indicates the battery is fully charged and ready to use. Step 3. A flashing red light may signal a charging error or bad battery connection. Step 4. No light or unusual blinking can mean the battery is inserted incorrectly. Step 5. Mixed colors may indicate charging stages or battery condition checks. Step 6. Once green is stable, remove the battery to avoid unnecessary charging time.